In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a WhatsApp AI support agent workflow with a webhook, OpenAI, and WhatsApp Cloud API. We'll start in your personal workspace. Open it up and click the orange Create Workflow button. That brings you into the editor canvas. Look to the right panel where you choose what triggers this workflow and select On Webhook Call. As soon as you do, a webhook trigger node appears on the canvas. This trigger will listen for incoming requests, which is how messages from WhatsApp will eventually reach your workflow. Next, add your AI logic. Click the plus icon on the canvas to add the next step. In the node search, look for your AI provider, such as OpenAI, if it's available in your list, and add that AI node. Click the AI node to configure it. If you're prompted for access, choose Create New Credential. In the credential window, paste your OpenAI API key and click Save. Back inside the AI node, set your prompt. For example, you can use Reply as a helpful WhatsApp customer support agent. This prompt guides the tone and behavior of your AI responses. Now let's add the WhatsApp response. Click the plus icon again and search for your WhatsApp integration, like WhatsApp Cloud API or whichever option appears in your node list. Select the WhatsApp node. If the node requires access, click Create New Credential to set it up. For WhatsApp Cloud API via Meta, you'll need an access token, your phone number ID, and, if required, your WhatsApp business account ID. In the credential setup, paste the access token, enter the required IDs, and click Save. Keep your tokens secure and never share them publicly. With credentials in place, connect the flow so data moves end-to-end. Drag to connect the webhook trigger to the AI node, and then connect the AI node to the WhatsApp Send Message node. Open the WhatsApp node and map the recipient phone number field to the value coming from your webhook payload. Then map the AI response as the message body, so the assistant's reply is what gets sent back. Time to test. Click Execute Workflow. Copy the webhook URL from the webhook node and paste it into your Meta WhatsApp webhook configuration. Send a WhatsApp message to your business number, then check the Logs panel at the bottom to see the execution results. Remember, logs only appear after you click Execute Workflow. By the end, your flow should read, On webhook call, to AI, to WhatsApp, send message. Triggers come from the right panel, nodes are added with the plus on the canvas, and credentials are created inside each node using Create New Credential.